So when your PT is treating your trigger points, they have a little bit more leverage than you usually can reach with your thumb. So to counter that, or to help you reach the same places, you can purchase a pelvic wand, which is a physical therapist developed tool to help to safely reach these deeper muscles of the pelvic floor. Your PT can help train you in the use of this, but you essentially find your most dysfunctional spot, whether it is too tight or too loose, and we hold gentle pressure on that spot for 3 to 5 minutes. During that time of holding this gentle pressure, we are further occluding blood supply to this trigger point. And in doing so, we're helping the body recognize change and recognize that this trigger point didn't have enough blood supply to begin with. If we just give it this gentle pressure for 3 to 5 minutes, the brain will recognize a change and it will send vasodilatory chemicals to this region, improving the tissue health, improving the blood supply, and improving how you do your exercises.